Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my bride is my model for today. Guys, my bride, fine bride. So I'm going to be tying VS Gele. How can you tie your VS Gele? This is a vintage Ashoke. How can you tie it? So guys, what I start to do is I make my five pleats at one side. So I came to the back to trace it. Then I'm not going to put the front hand up. So guys, after doing that, I'm going to trace the plates and bring it up. I'm going to try to fold it to make sure that the other side is not swollen. So I'll bring down my short hand, I'll bring it up, then I'll bring it up. I'm making V, so automatically it's crossed, and I have to tell my bride to raise up her hair so that I won't spoil the makeup again. So at this particular place, I'm trying to adjust the gilly. So the spaces between the pleats are going to be uniform. You get it? So I'm not going to bring that my shorter hand. I'll bring it up. Can you see? So after bringing it up, sorry, my camera woman. So I'm going to bring it up. So when I bring it up, I'm going to make sure that the same pleat at the other side, it is what I'm picking at the other side too. That will make it very uniform. Do you guys get it? So I'm going to make my six pleat. So I've made four like that. So guys, please, that is how we are going to continue to make the plate, so that I will make sure that it is well laid. Guys, please kindly like and subscribe, drop a comment, let me know your view about this video, and please kindly follow me on Instagram too for more updates, for more drops, for more nice Ashoke concept. And guys, please, I would be dropping videos of Ashoke. How do you want to know good Ashoke when it comes to the fabric? Some people, they would want to get or source their Ashoke themselves, maybe for their wedding or for their parties. So guys, please kindly tell a friend to go and watch Suziestouches on YouTube. I'm going to be dropping nice videos of how you can achieve a look with a different type of fabric. So back to Gele, I'm going to pin this part so that it can be firm and the V will not shake from the center of the hair. So this is me trying to apply my pin. You must be very careful when doing this process, so that the pin won't hurt you, or it won't hurt the person you're tying gele for. So you will now bring the longest end of that gele, bring it on each other. Can you see? You make sure that any place that the ashoke is folding, or the gele is folding, you try to pull it out and use your what's it called, your tip, to pull it out. That is why they used to say it is not advisable as a geliati to always fix nails, because it's because of the pain. You get it? So guys, please like and follow me, subscribe, let me know your view about this particular bridal style. So guys, at this point, I'm now picking one side. I'm making sure that the beginning of the plate, where the arc angle of the brows is, that is where I'm making it big. So the other side, it's just the front side where I want it to be. I want space to be. That is where I'm going to put space. You get it, guys? So I'm going to pick from the down part to the brow and arc angle side. I will pick it normal, like I'm picking my round. So the middle part, I'm just going to add a little fabric, so it's going to give me that space. Can you see, guys? So that is what we do to give us that ace like style. So, and when we continue doing that, when the fabric is being exhausted, it's going to give you a fan like thing that is going to make it your ace. So I kept making the plates. So at this point, I'm trying to adjust that gele at that part, so it's going to be set, very very set, and it will be firm. It won't scatter. So that is why I'm trying to adjust that at the back. So, and when you are trying to adjust that at the back, make sure that you pull it at the back in, so it will be firm. It won't scatter, because if you don't hold it, the gele will actually scatter. So that's why I had to come to the other side, check it well. Okay, if the gele is set, I came to the other side. What I did at my left hand, it is what I must do. It is a must. It is what I must do at my right hand. So that is why I had to just come to the other side. Can you see the way I'm picking the plate? I'm going to pick it down. I'm going to make sure that it is very firm. What I did at that part, that's what I can you see. That's what I'm doing at this other part. So this is how you are going to achieve your VA's gele. Guys, please try as much as possible to practice. When you finish watching this video, kindly like, subscribe, tell your friends, share, please and please. Thank you very very much, guys. So that it is going to stay and it is not going to scatter, because if I didn't pin it like that, I didn't arrange it very well, it's going to scatter and it's going to show at the front that this thing is not well arranged. So at this point, I tried to pick my plate one after the other, like one after the other. I did not lose out any plate. So this is the finishing point of the gele, and I had to roll it in. Then I had to pin it, so that the essence of the pinning is that it's not be too tight. For people that complain that I don't like gele, it's always making me to have headache. No, for this type of pinning, you just pin it at the back. If you want it to be loose, if you want it to be very tight, it is when you pin it, you know, okay, this gele is too tight, this gele is too loose. You get me? So guys, please and please try as much as possible to practice this style. After watching this video, try as much as possible to give my video a thumbs up. So this is my bride. Look at her, so beautiful. Kudos to Ewawumimakeovers for the beautiful makeup. Guys, follow her on Instagram, check her work out. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the patience. Thank you so much. I love you.